I supply them. I'm talking loud, we gon' buy him. Can't cook, but I'm gon' find him. My advice, don't stand by him.
Good morning, team. How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. And in today's installment, we're on the new site. The new site. Let me show you outside. Let me autofocus. Some people already have some lot up here. We're gonna build on 30 something lots, and as you can see, some people already have built on anything there. So ready for work. Me alone reach already. You see, I'm super excited, so I kinda beat it come early. So it's on that, I go. I believe some trucks supposed to come in today, come drop off something, so we'll see how that goes, and then whatever else needs to be done, you know. But this is a continuation from the last vlog. As you can see, I'm showing the site, the progress of the site and whatnot, and there's a continue. So just expect a lot of construction vlogs. It'll vary, but it'll revolve around my life. So that's what these vlogs are going to be about. My life, you know. My life. Big fat people with the bright light. Yeah, so we're inside now. I'm just gonna wait until Stupid's driving. The Stupid's driving. We'll see what can go on, you know what I mean? Yeah.
I have a big plan, say I'm gonna build out, man. Conquer or control a 10-15 year conquer alone. I work and them a do construction and them a developer.
So the water truck will fill up and so on.
Very nice, and the water pretty and dirty up like one of the teeth. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. So keep party and we want to go. So they may build up some like a place that's where we have seats and them something there.
You're right, yeah, so like a bamboo looking something. Yeah.
Oh, a peer party we keep.
Real man take a beer man, you know, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, real man take a beer man.
Come on, cuss you out, you know.
Yeah.
Man, the man that keep party with you, we are everything alright. Because he go in the hospital and come up and everything wrong. Everything wrong. The man start burn out everybody.
So we're not easy.
A two-wheel me have, you know. What? That's an H.E.A.R.T steer on you, man. Those them nice. Oh, when I expect to them people have law. I'm going, man. I say I can't go down and I'm stuck here, you know. I mean, I have the wobbling.
Alright, if I'm back up then.
And the kicker.
Come on, sure, I'm
just
going to
some more than just kick and come over back. You have that. So come still, man. We don't run a H.E.A.R.T they look for something. So come.
So yeah, you have people from my company working up there. Them are supervised just the same. And yeah, up there look shot as you guys can see. Now I focus on my side. Man, I will get lunch right now and then head back up to the site. Them I go lay out Then I'm gonna do the layout for the house. So we are build the office, which is the first unit where I go up there. We are turn a unit into an office again. So yeah, let's get it. I'm gonna get lunch. I don't know I'm gonna eat. I believe I'm gonna eat island grill, but who knows? Yee. You know, a profile board. Here's the card and plumbing. Yeah, I'm just gonna show you construction vlogging, brother. Morning again, team. Ismash. new day. I'm back on site. As you guys can see behind me. And chuck up there so offload. Chuck up there so offload and yeah, me just update them books here. For how exactly them are delivered today. Them a drop off fabric mesh, rebar steel, 12mm and 10mm, which is 1/2 inch and 3/8 steel. And what else? Binding wires and what else? Fabric mesh at a rebar as well. And lot. Alright, so far man, let's update the book real quick and I couldn't know how man. Let's go. That are gone for today. So then say excavate today. As I say we get steel 12mm and also 10mm. I'll get fabric 7 by must 17. Binding way and them thing there. Right. As you guys can see, I'm at Advances General. I renew insurance. I renew insurance today. They within my lunch time, so you don't know where I get a lot of things done in one day just so we do it. I renew insurance today, and I just had Island Grill. And then we'll go back up a side to see how far the guy reached. I'ma move fast, brother. I'ma move fast. I really want to look on some pickup today. I may get a chance to, but I'm gonna look on some pickup today. Let's see what can go on come. As I say, I still look at pickup. And yeah. See what go on in. I say no. So much money they want to charge me now for insurance. So this is my car right here. It's a 2008 Honda Stream. As you can see, that's factory tint on the rear of it. No tint on the front. A tint on the front screen. It's 5 inches down. So we'll tint over the factory tint and tint this. So I tint it up to 15%. That's me. Let's get it. I'll wait on this guy.
1 at the rooftop. My business partner in the business tell about shop on like this on the rooftop.
Oh. Yo, brother, that car kind of want to fix up, you know. But I'm not ready for touching it, you know that way.
So give me a car for deal with you, man.
You're mad!
Yeah. So as you guys can see, do it on the outside. And also upon the outside and the inside. Yeah, upon the no. Fit it on the outside and then install it on the inside. I was going to do a DIY. I'm say no, can't bother. I can't be bothered, so I'm just get that guy to do it for me. I know how much see up. Nice. Alright, see the difference of this dark and this kind of purple. I believe when you get purple over time, is either I get old or is a cheap tint. I believe this is one cheap tint, brother, for you pay for. I'm not sure because overseas is like over $100 here, so tint cars and out here is like half. Alright, we finished tint. %. This is from the inside. Showing it from the outside. Woo. 20% from the outside. Yep. So guys, I'm back home. I'm just gonna outro this vlog and tell you guys to like stick around until 2 days from now vlog, because every 2 days, 3 days, something like that, I drop a vlog. Most of the time it's like a week for drop a vlog. Besides from that, Team Smash, hope you guys enjoy the vlogs. The beast is over here, so sexy as hell. Y'all see that thing right there? That big bump around there? It's well tinted up. Vlog me to say, no face, no trace. Still the road. And again, thank you guys for watching my vlogs. I appreciate it. I can always like, comment and share. Tell me what I'm going, you know what I'm saying? Tell me if you don't like the vlogs, then let me know what I'm going, you see me? Team Smash. See you in my next vlog. I'm out.
Preaching generation, don't listen to me, please. Work hard for your goals and turn into reality. Yo, we work hard for it somewhere in our life, and people we still try kill you.